My dear student, we are going to learn continuity and differentiability in your fifth chapter, 12th classes. So first you should know what is the introduction of continuity. The introduction and meaning of continuity is same as we use in our daily life. Continuous means not break. So when we say that a function is continuous at a point x is equal to a, where a is a real number and f of x is also a real valued function in its domain. It means a is a domain, a is a real number. So in your graph we say it as if its graph is a curve without break or jump, माने ना तो आपको इसमें कोई जंप करना है ना ब्रेक करना है, कंटिन्यूअस आपका ग्राफ रहना चाहिए। यहाँ पर हमने आपको इस ग्राफ के बेसिस पर यह समझाने का प्रयास किया है कि एक्स एक्सिस पर जैसे आपने पॉइंट लिया और व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एट दैट पॉइंट द फंक्शन, इट मींस LHL and RHL, and at that point function is not continuous here because our curve is as a break. So we say it as let x is equal to a1, x is equal to a2 and x is equal to a3. Here function is not continuous. In your first case at x is equal to a1, here we say that at x is equal to a1 left-handed limit is equal to right-handed limit but not equal to f of a. So function will be exist but not continuous. In your second case at x is equal to a2, LHL is not equal to RHL, it means L2 is not equal to L3, then the function does not exist. It means exist होने के लिए कंपलसरी है कि उस पॉइंट पर लेफ्ट हैंड की वैल्यू राइट हैंड की वैल्यू के इक्वल होना चाहिए। एज इन योर ग्राफ एट x is equal to a3, limit x tends to a3 negative is equal to limit x tends to a3 positive. So function is also here exist but not continuous. So what is the definitions of a continuous function? See here, a real valued function. What is the meaning of real value? It means real number पर यदि कोई फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस है, ये आपका डोमेन हो गया पॉइंट ऑफ सेट्स. A function is continuous at a point A in its domain. It means A is a real number if and only if limit x tends to a f of x is equal to f of a. The meaning of x tends to a f of x, it means function is exist here. So in another way we also write it as limit x tends to a negative f of x is equal to limit x tends to a positive f of x is equal to f of a. It means at a point A in its domain LHL is equal to RHL is equal to the value of that function at that point. यहाँ पर हमने डिफाइन कर दिया है एज ए फिगर. आपको ये देखना है कि जो रियल नंबर पर जो इसका डोमेन होता है फंक्शंस का वो माइनस इनफाइनाइट अप टू इनफाइनाइट एक गिवन इंटरवल पर जैसे आपको पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. पॉइंट्स टू नोट हियर ऑन द फंक्शन एज योर फर्स्ट पॉइंट अ फंक्शन f of x is continuous if it is a continuous at every point of its domain. And similarly, second your point, some difference, product and quotients of continuous functions are continuous. That is, in mathematical form, if f of x and g of x are continuous functions on their common domain, here common domain is main meaning, then f plus minus g, these are functions, sum and difference, product f into g, divide f divided by g, but condition is here that g of x should not be equal to 0, and k f where k is a constant, these are continuous. Your next point, if f and g are real functions such that for, it means operations is defined, if g is continuous at x is equal to a and f is continuous at g of a, then the part is continuous at x is equal to a. 4 points, following functions are everywhere continuous as your first a constant function, that is f of x is equal to k, where k is a constant. You also write in the places of k is equal to another constant. And second, identity function. What is identity function? That is f of x is equal to x. Here domain is equal to real numbers. And a polynomial functions, as you know the definitions of polynomial is here that a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash dash plus an x to the power n plus an plus 1 x to the power n plus 1. Condition is here that an plus 1 is not equal to 0 and these are real numbers. Similarly, modulus functions, it means f of x is equal to modulus of f of x, and exponential function f of x is equal to e to the power x, or already you also in other way say that f of x is equal to a to the power x. And sin x and cos x functions, these are continuous everywhere, and some functions, your fifth point, are continuous in their domains. As here see your first logarithmic function, it means f of x is equal to log of x. Similarly, rational functions, it means f of x is equal to g of x divided by f of x. It is known as a rational function. And your third tangent function, cotangent function, second and cosine functions. It means that these are right it as f of x is equal to tan x, f of x is equal to cot x, f of x is equal to sec x, f of x is equal to cosec x. And your sixth point, if a function is continuous functions, then modulus of f of x and 1 divided by f of x, it means reciprocal are continuous in their domains. And your seventh, it means approximately last point, you say it as sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosec inverse x, and sec inverse x are continuous functions on their respective domains. Question: discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x is equal to x plus 2 if x is less than 0 and minus x plus 2 if x is greater than 0. So here we see that the function is defined at all of the real numbers except x is equal to 0. यानी x is equal to 0 को छोड़ करके और आपका फंक्शन जो है इन दो डोमेन पर डिफाइन है. So your first domain is here that x belongs to R, x is less than 0, and your second domain for here x belongs to real number such that x is greater than 0. First case, we will see here that if your real number is belongs on domain first, then f of x is equal to x plus 2. We know that it is a linear polynomial, it means polynomial function. So limit x tends to c negative, it means LHL f of x is equal to limit x tends to c positive, RHL is equal to f of c at that point. By the definition of continuous, we know that here limit x tends to c, f of x is equal to c plus 2. We put here in the places of x is equal to c and it is equal to f of c. So function is continuous in D1. Similarly, if c is equal to D2, then we get limit x tends to c, f of x is equal to limit x tends to c minus x plus 2. It is the value of the function, and after putting we get minus c plus 2 is equal to f of c. It is for D2 domain, continuous in D2. Now if you make a graph, then we see that at x is equal to 0, here value of f of x is equal to 2. So here whole, it means we say it as it is the graph of x plus 2 and it is the graph of x minus x plus 2. Thus, those points where the function is defined is continuous. Discuss the continuity of function f given by f of x as signal function x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and x square if x is less than 0. So here d1 is equal to x belongs to real number such that x is less than 0, and your second d2 is equal to only 0, and d3 third domain x belongs to real number, x is greater than 0. Now we will be test the continuity in each point. So first case, at point any point in d1 it means x is less than 0. Then if x is less than 0, we see here that f of x is equal to x square. It is a polynomial function and polynomial function is continuous in each point on its domain. So second case, at any point in d3, here d3 is greater than x is greater than 0. We see here that so f of x is equal to f x only. It is identity function. And we know that it is also continuous at each point in its domain. Thus, in both two cases, we see here that function is continuous. Now, we will be discuss your d2 at x is equal to 0. So, LHL f of x is equal to x0. Here we see that x tends to 0 negative, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 negative, x. If we put the value 0 minus h, then we will finally get here the value of LHL is equal to 0. Similarly, in RHL, limit x tends to 0 positive f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive x. It is also equal to 0. And at that point, f of 0 is also equal to 0. So, by the definitions of continuity, here we see that LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of 0. Hence, function is continuous at every point. So that function defined f of x is equal to modulus of 1 minus x plus mod of x is everywhere continuous. So, here we see that it is the composite function of two functions. Solutions. We suppose let g of x is equal to 1 minus x plus modulus of x. ये जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर है, इट मीन्स मॉडुलस के अंदर है, आपने इसको फर्स्ट फंक्शन सपोज किया. एंड सेकेंड फंक्शन h of x is equal to mod of x. So after composite functions, we get h of x is equal to h g of x is equal to h 1 minus x plus mod of x. It is the value of g of x, and after this h of x as defined here, we get it is 1 minus x plus mod of x, the whole mod of is equal to f of x for every x belongs to real number. Hence 1 minus x being a polynomial function and modulus of x being a modulus function. These are continuous functions on a real number. So g of x is equal to 1 minus x plus mod of x is everywhere continuous, and h of x is equal to mod of x is also everywhere continuous. Thus, f is equal to HOG, it is operations, it means composite of two functions is everywhere continuous. It is your answer.